Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to our presentation. Today, our presentation is on extending the social construction of technology (HCOT) framework to the digital world. Presented to MD Federal Ifat, lecturer, Institute of Information Technology, Noakhali Science and Technology University. Let's introduce our team. It's me, Fadila Malik. My partners are Ruba Rashid and MD Mahmoudul Hassan Talukdar. Let's see the concepts of our presentation. So what is the concept of our presentation? These are social construction of technology, HCOT, stages of social construction of technology, limitations of social construction of technology, social construction of digital technology, HCODT, and finally extending social construction of technology to social construction of digital technology. Social construction of technology, HCOT. What is social construction of technology? Let's see. Social construction of technology is a theory within the field of science and technological studies. Advocates of social construction of technology, that is, social constructivists, argue that technology does not determine human action. Rather, human action shapes its technology. They also argue that the way a technology cannot be understood without understanding how the technology is embedded in the social context. Social construction of technology is a response to technological determinism and is sometimes known as technological constructivism. Social construction of technology is not only a theory but also a methodology. It formalizes the steps and principles to follow when one wants to analyze the causes of technological failure or success. So, how can we analyze the technological failure or success? Well, social construction of technology holds that those who seek to understand the reason for acceptance or rejection of technology, they must look to the social world. It is not enough, according to the social construction of technology, to explain a technological success by saying that is the best. Researchers must look at how the criteria of being the best is defined and which group or the stakeholder are defining it. In particular, they must ask who define the criteria, technical criteria of technological success, and why they choose this type of criteria, technical criteria for defining the success, and who is excluded or included. According to some scholars, technological determinism is a myth that results when one look backward and believe that the path taken to the present is the only possible path. Stages of social construction of technology. There are three stages of social construction of technology. These are invention and interpretative flexibility, experimentation, closure, and collapse of form, wider adoption by society, which can solidify form, encouraging alteration, and have unintended effect. So, what is invention and interpretative flexibility? Interpretative flexibility means that each technological artifact has defined meaning in interpretation for various groups. This alternative interpretation generate different problem to be solved. There are three types of interpretative flexibility. These are relative social group, number two, design flexibility, number three, problems and conflict. Example, and what is closure? Over time, as technology are developed, the interpretative and design flexibility collapse through closure mechanism. There are two examples of closure mechanism. These are heterorocal closure, number two, redefinition of problem. Wider adoption by society which can solidify form, encouraging elaboration and have unintended effect. This is the third stage of social construction of technology methodology, but the seminar article of Finch and Oxford does not proceed to this stage, but many other historians and scholars nevertheless do. Limitation of social construction of technology. Now, I would like to request my friend, partner, Rubai Rashid to continue our presentation. Thank you.